Devesh from EVERYLITE, and today I will be talking to you about our EZBeam line of products.
The revolutionary EZBeam series comes in a single-sided LED module at 3.5 watts per module, or a double-sided LED module at 6 watts per module. And they feature one of the best lenses on the market, with a 175-degree beam angle, allowing them to be mounted up to 24 inches apart. The EZBeam double-sided module is also pre-assembled onto a bar, which has quickly become one of our top-selling products. This is available in a 2-foot, 3-foot, 4-foot, and 5-foot options. And they can be assembled in any combination of bars using our patented middle connector to create virtually any length. Installing the EZBeam bars into your new or retrofit cabinets has never been easier. Now with our easy-to-use end cap, which fits right over the existing sockets. The EZBeam bar is the perfect solution you've been looking for your double-sided cabinet needs. They can be used in cabinets as low as 10 inches deep to as large as 36 inches deep. The single-sided module, just like its counterpart, can be used in the single-sided cabinet as low as 4 inches all the way up to 24 inches.
EZBeam is available in multiple SKUs for all your signage needs. And with its patent-pending technology, it allows for installation in retrofitting environments. And lastly, with a quick and easy setup, while using less product means huge savings on both product and labor.
Contact your local sales representative for more information or to utilize our free layout service for recommended spacings.